मुझको बता तू रहता।
Currently I am in Hissar, a place in Bulgaria, and this is some natural water coming from, I don't know from where it is coming, and you can see this is natural water and it is continuously coming from this place, and people used to fill up the water again and again from here. People used to believe that this water have some medicinal value to your body, or it might cure some disease in your body. And you can see this is the place, and this is very cold now. There is some nice place. People from all around Bulgaria used to come here and just to fill up the water. This place is actually pretty nice. This is a small park. The last time I visited here, children used to play here, but as it is dark and it is pretty cold, so nobody is here actually. And here I am in the dark. These all got full. Yeah, these are full. I will take. This is all about this place, and yeah, this is pretty cold. And let me give a view of the backside. Yeah, have a look. It's pretty engaging. I think this is a nearby restaurant here. We'll go to this place later.
खुदा मुझको बता तू रहता